In the production of MVC, multivitamin calcium, you will need several fruits like carrots, 7 fruits actually: carrot, cucumber, watermelon, pineapple, banana. You also need pawpaw. So there's fruits, I call them 7 super fruits. You also need the vinegar, the apple cider vinegar with the mother. You can see the residue at the bottom. This particular apple cider vinegar is unfiltered and also contains the mother, which is a starter for the MVC. Then you also need the Sachar's lab, the lactic acid bacteria, to help jumpstart fermentation process. You cut the fruits in pieces and then you put them in a blender. Then you grind. You blend very well, and then after blending everything together, you add 5 liters of water to blend. The water is just to enable you blend successfully. So I told you earlier on, use the apple cider, but you have to shake properly. You shake properly so that the unfiltered part of it can be added to the grinded fruits. You add 30 ml of this. This 30 ml, we, as earlier said, will jumpstart the fermentation process and then also enrich the oil broth with microorganisms, beneficial microorganisms. Also, we have the Sachar's lab. You add 30 ml of the Sachar's lab. These labs have been specially prepared for the right microorganisms that will colonize the gut of the beds. So you add 30 ml of this. So these 30 ml together with the 30 ml of the apple cider vinegar will enable thorough fermentation. When I mean thorough fermentation, I mean it. Then molasses, you're gonna add 250 ml of molasses. This serves as the food for the microorganisms. It's also rich in minerals and some other nutrients that will form part of our recipe for the MVC. Molasses is essential for this fermentation process to kickstart. Then you cover lightly, or you can use mesh cloth, and after 7 days you're done. You can give base directly to MVC without adding calcium, but you